Looking for the best workflow builder? Let's compare N8N versus Flowise and see which one's better for you. One's great for broad automation, the other focuses on AI workflows, so your choice matters. N8N is a visual automation platform with drag and drop workflow building, tons of app integrations, and options to add custom code. Perfect if you want to connect apps, APIs, and systems without heavy coding. Flowise is built for AI-driven workflows and prompt logic. Ideal if your focus is on building AI assistants, retrieval systems, or intelligent automations powered by language models with flexible graph design. So, if you want general automation and app integrations, N8N wins. If you want AI-centric workflow building, Flowise wins. Which one fits your workflow goals? Comment below and follow for more quick tool comparisons.